Hey everybody, it's Paul with the Shadow Camper. I know, we're in the garage again, right? But we're going on an adventure. Bags packed, it's right there. We're taking the motorbike on an adventure. There's my cat. That is Jinx. But this is more important. Okay, bags on. Unfortunately, I don't have anything rigged up to tag you along for the journey yet. Just haven't had time yet. So, unfortunately, this trip will just arrive at the location. It's a tiny little group of trees just off the highway. But yeah, let's head out on a journey. We'll get to this group of trees, we'll check her out, and hopefully we can camp there. Oh guys, we made her. Yes! Oh man, I tell you, if you ever had second thoughts, go buy one. Just don't buy the Amazon ones. Look for an actual company who sells them. It's a little bit better quality. But yeah, we made her. We made her. Yeah, that's the big highway there. And then I came in right this exact way. And then down this gravel road is a house/business. I came in from here. So I come down that road here, and then that road there will merge you back onto the big highway. But yeah, this is the small group of trees we are gonna spend the night in. On the gas-powered pedal bike. Yeah! Well, we'll take a little tour here. So yeah, that's the gravel road over there. And then we've got this bug-infested little swamp that I did not know was here. From the highway, you can't see it from the highway. And then we got the highway going there. And my bag. I got the bike tucked up there in the corner. And then I think we're gonna go to this tree here. It'll be a long reach, but we'll make it to that tree there. There's the gravel road still. I've been wanting to camp in these groups of bushes since I started stealth camping. You do have to be careful because there is a house that lives down this road. Yeah, and that's home for the night. There's a little bit of garbage around here. I did bring a garbage bag, so I will probably pick up what I can and what I can safely carry back on the bike. But you can't see the bike from here, so that's good. So yeah, obviously we're hanging in the hammock tonight. Beside the highway in a small group of trees. But I am going to wait till it gets dark to put the hammock up. At least till the sun goes down and it's dusk anyways. Yeah, I'm just going to chill out for a little while. Listen to the traffic drive by. And enjoy the trees. So walking around here, there's definitely a few bones. This guy has been here for some time. Looks like he had antlers at one point. Definitely disintegrated. And we got these guys here. Some vertebrae action. We got some more vertebrae, maybe some ribs. Oh, and there's more vertebrae and ribs. And then some more. And then here's another bone, skull, upside down, all the teeth. Bones everywhere in this little group of trees. And as the sun sets, darkness will be upon us soon. The shadow camper will disappear into the darkness. Whoa, like that's in my eye right now. Man, be safe in the woods, people. Watch your eyes. Anyways, you've seen the sun has set. So the darkness will be upon us soon. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna make some supper. I brought some sort of chicken rice soup. It was on the shelf. Let's go. We'll cook her in the jet boil. Eat some crackers. Drink a Stealth Pepsi. Maybe have some potato chips. And then we'll set the hammock up. Then it'll be dark enough, I feel. Yeah. Chicken rice. Again, pop top. Soup's made. Half the crackers are in there. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. I went with a non-cream soup. Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and eat this. We'll get back to you when we get the hammock set up. We'll probably just set it up and then I'll show you. And then we'll maybe sit by the highway for a little bit. We'll get back to you. I got supper all cleaned up. It was good, really good. I think it was chicken rice or something like that. Just trying to keep the light on the down low a little bit. Hammock is set up, so that's ready to go. I'm trying my underquilt tonight, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I got so I have my underquilt and then I have my overquilt, and the wind has picked up, so I didn't put a tarp up. It's not supposed to rain. So we'll see what happens. And make sure that you guys go check out all the hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance May Challenge entries. This video will be up in midweek of voting, or at least me picking the top 5 to vote on. So make sure you go watch them. Make sure you go comment on everybody. I think that's it for tonight. The wind's definitely picked up, so it'll be nice to crawl into the hammock there and get all nice and cozy in the cocoon of awesomeness, and give that overquilt a try. Yeah. So yeah, guys,
we'll see you in the morning. Sunrise is 5:30. I'm in a good spot to get some good sunrise shots, so we'll see. Time now is actually about 11, maybe a little bit past right now. Good morning, everybody. It's about 6:30 in the morning. As you can tell, it's bright out. Sleep was good. This over quilt was warm. It's got this split down the middle, so it's easier to get in and out of. I'm not 100% sure if it's split supposed to be open like here or the split's supposed to be open on your back. But I feel like they should have made it so it like overlaps easier so you can create that seal. But I don't know. Otherwise, I slept good. Happy birthday to me. It's May 27th, 6:30 in the morning. I turned 40 today. Happy birthday. I forgot my charging cords. So that phone is at like 25%. So morning is going to be a short episode of stuff. Because we just don't have the battery capacity. I was going to do some drive-bys on the bike there in the morning. Yeah, nothing today. But I'm going to get up. I'm going to get this hammock put away. And then we're going to get some coffee on the go. And we'll just chill out for a little while. And then we'll head on home. Well, walking around picking up garbage, I found another strange discovery. That's like an oil filter off of a big rig. And that's possibly a air filter. And then there's an old metal bucket over there. And then there's the other oil filter for a big rig. The things you find in the trees. That's why I like doing this. I like coming to small groups of trees because you never know what's inside. The sun is rising. I'm not too sure what time I told you it was earlier, but it's only like 5:30, not 6:30. So I don't know what I said earlier. But we got some water getting boiled on the jet boil. Got some instant coffee. So we're gonna sit here, drink this coffee, enjoy the sunrise, and then get out of here. Pretty much out of battery, so I'm gonna say my goodbyes now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go check out all the May challenge videos and pick your best one. Somebody's gonna win a Shadow Camper shirt. The very first one. I'm waiting for the winner so I can get the right size to him. We'll go from there. But thanks for tagging along with me. This was a lot of fun, this one. I've been dying to get into this group of trees for a long time. And the motorbike helps us get here. Like, we're gonna get to so many neat places with that thing. Just well, guys, coffee is made. She's mighty good this morning. Just instant coffee. Ooh, a little hot, a little hot. But yeah, again, thanks for hanging out with the Shadow Camper. This will be a short one again. There wasn't much activity. Not until I can get a mount for the bike, and then we'll be able to see kind of more where we're going. It's a two-handed operation, that unit. You kind of got to be two hands all the time. Good. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you on the next adventure. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Make sure you check out the Facebook page as well. And hit that subscribe button, that like button, that notifications bell, so then you'll be notified when I do this kind of wacky stuff. This one was just a nice, easy one, no people around. But we've seen a lot of cool stuff in the woods. Some oil filters, lots of bones. There was lots of bones in this area. We had cars ripping by all night long. I mean, I went to bed at like 11:30 and they were still just got up at about 3:30 and they were still So this is a busy highway. But that sun is nice. The temperature, you can already feel the warmth on your back. So I'm gonna sit here for a little while, enjoy my coffee, watch the sunrise, and then get out of here. I should have enough battery power to do a site inspection, and then that'll be it for this adventure. Thanks, guys. There's the bag all packed up, and then I managed to pick up a decent sized bag of garbage. I can't really go much bigger because I'm running out of room in there. But yeah, that's hammock tree number 1. That was hammock tree number 2. There's the motorbike. And yeah, leave no trace, as they like to say. Looks like it could possibly start raining here in a little bit. And our sunrise is gone due to these wonderful clouds. And you can definitely feel something in the air. Yes, that's it for this episode of the Shadow Camper. Obviously, I'm taking my bag with me and my backpack and my bike, so that's not staying here. I picked up that bag of garbage. Maybe even made 40-50 cents on bottles. Not too shabby. Seen some neat things in this group of trees. Weather was fantastic. Sleep was awesome. So that's it, guys. Thanks for tagging along. Subscribe to the Shadow Camper. Everybody on the Alliance, please just go subscribe to him, throw him a comment, just say nice stuff. And on that note, let's just be nice to everybody today. Just be nice to everybody every day. You don't know what somebody's going through. And if you're nice to them, maybe their day won't be such a waste of time. Thanks, guys.